Hi, I'm YaYa, and I want to thank you so much for joining me again on our 14-day watercolor challenge. Today is day 3, and we're going to play with size today. The challenge is to paint 3 flowers, 1 small, 1 medium, and 1 large. It's like a watercolor family photo, only less awkward. And if you're not a flower person, do any 3 shapes that interest you. Maybe trees, maybe animals, maybe shapes. Be creative. So what I have going here is flowers, as the thing said, but I did 2 of each, 2 large, 2 medium, 2 small. And it turned out pretty good. The thing that I would do different, and I always tell you good, bad, and ugly, is that I did this on my standard everyday paper, the Kiwi Hub rough paper. And with this many stems, I should have done it like on a hot press. One of our lessons back, I showed you the difference between doing stems on a hot press versus cold and rough. And they just come out a lot smoother. On rough paper, they're hard to make smooth and thin, especially. So that's really the only thing I would do. So if you're going to do flowers with lots of stems and you have some hot press, try it on hot press. And remember, I probably could have done it better on hot press, but that being said, I am my own worst critic after all. But I like botanicals, so I still had fun doing this one. There you go, 3 flowers, 3 sizes. In my case, 6 flowers, 3 sizes. And I'm hoping many happy painters out there. Don't forget to visit our community and post your pics under day 3. You're blooming beautifully. What can I say? I grew up with a punny brother. See you back here tomorrow on day 4.